happened, quitting because my family is being so mean to me out there, and so some of my family is saying, no, I'm just like fine, and I want to be one time for myself. The other shit is that I made this shirt. It is I. Rising too high. Tomorrow is bringing on. I will run my life in a hand that will changing my life. Ow! I know I'm missing a fair song I'm fearful, but I have to cut it up to do on this, but yeah. No. Don't think I'm gonna do anything about it. That's not right. So I just got this new awesome soap called and it's 8 bar, 8 bar, 8 bar. And this is what it looks like. He said I can be so because you got the soap. If you love Niall, I'm fresh and it actually smells like it. I actually smell clean candles. I think I don't know how to do that. Roll call. So I'm the butter. So I got to teach this new painting for this is another side where you just qualify. So yeah, I'm gonna do this one. What? Thank you. And I have to be very careful. Dad, something very bad. Not guys to be fat. If you say the number fat, you will be the smaller side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I said the number 5, guys. We're not supposed to. Hi guys to be fat. If you say the number fat, you will be the smaller side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Said it again. Said it again. Hi guys to be fat. If you say the number 5, you will be the smaller side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. I said 15. I just noticed that. I'm never gonna beat it up. I'm gonna go to sleep. I'll sleep here until tomorrow, which is Wednesday. Gotta get down on Wednesday. I'm just kidding. It's not right. Rebecca Black. You know what that sounds racist? Like her name is like Rebecca Black. And like people kept saying like when I guess she had a performance or whatever, and everybody kept calling her Rebecca White because her skin tone is white. That's just racist. I felt so bad. And I guess I saw a video on it. Yeah. This is my new connection. Why are the same thing here? Oh no! My dad bought a new one. It doesn't make sense to me because ready? Record. Okay. So before we had 2 strawberries that smelled perfect together. Because they're the same strawberry. And he buys coconut, and there's coconut shampoo, and she buys cherry blossom conditioner. I have no idea why I'm gonna buy the coconut conditioner. Because I'm trying to try the jungle. What color is it? I'll just use this for the morning. My hair is really bad. Well, I'm gonna have to use coconut because that's what I want to shampoo for this. Well, actually, a shampoo, even a drop is a lot. Like, there we go. This is my mom. I don't know why I have it in my bathroom. Because we have 3 bathrooms. And my dad and my brother share a bathroom, and my mom has her own. I'm in my bathroom right now, and why is this bathroom? I don't know, whatever. Kind of heavy. How am I doing? I have a master project. And if we want to, I don't want to work with anybody now. I regret it. I don't know. And then now it's I'm a bad girl. Did you know that? Can I put my shit down before you get feel my stomach? If you guys say what? Okay, I want to put the shampoo. Yeah? What do you think I should? Okay. Whatever. I'm going. Tell me if you need something, because I don't know. I'm gonna go to your house. Something called I Can Beat You. That's the TV in the background. Nothing new. I was on my mind, I can never get enough.